Hey guys, Tristan Ascona here, and in this video, I'm gonna be playing around with the Futuristic Marketing's Facebook Lead Accelerator, which is basically a capture page generator for Facebook. Now, this is in relation to a fellow friend of mine who was having problems using an autoresponder that was not included in the compatibility list for this software. But I've seen other people use, aside from the three provided, which was iContact, GetResponse, and Aweber, I've seen other people use their own autoresponders. Now, the problem he was having was that his submit button wasn't coming up. So I had, basically I had him send me his autoresponder code, and I was playing around with it, and I just found a solution. Basically, I decided to do a little tutorial as well. So here's the code. And a little bit of advice: if you're going to be using third-party forms or form generators, then get rid of all these CSS. You don't need that. All right. So for example, in my GetResponse, if you go to publish and look at your HTML code, there should be a button that says include CSS styles, and just hit it off, because you don't need that. That's irrelevant. That's not even essential. So we go back to where we are. So this is the code that he has. I'm gonna be copying that and going to my capture page generator. Okay, yeah. So sorry about that. All right. So I've been playing around with this code. So let me go back to the fan page generator. I'm gonna show you. So I already pre-filled this form, alright, because I already created it. Find a solution actually. So I'm gonna go to this form. So I pre-fill this with with the necessary text, because there's some fields required. So you're gonna go to the autoresponder code. As you can see, there's only 3 here, but then it doesn't really matter because I'm using Infusionsoft. So I just selected iContact. I'm gonna hit source. Alright, I'm gonna hit source, and I'm gonna paste in his code. This is the code he sent me. Okay, now the problem was that he was not seeing his submit button. All right, so I can actually resize this. So he was not seeing his submit button, and after a bit of tinkering around, actually, so playing around with the code, here's the main problem. All right, you don't need he made his submit button to a button style. Like I said, you don't need CSS stylings, you don't need special graphics. All you need is the basic. If you can have a basic form without any CSS, without any styling at all, then do that. Now what happened here is that he made his submit button into a new style. It's a button. It's a HTML code for button styling, and this form does not accept that. That's why it's not visible, because you're creating a button when the form is going to create a button itself. So here's the solution. Okay, first and foremost, get rid of all this. You don't need that. Alright, you're gonna get rid of that. Just hit delete on that. Okay? That's not necessary. Actually, you don't even need with, because that's not really necessary. Okay? Alright. So instead of that, you just write input. Alright? Just a simple code input. And I think I'm gonna get rid of something that I found as well, which is web form errors. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this div layer as well, because I don't like that. Because when I played around with it with the offline page generator, it tends to create this table, which was like hideous. I'm gonna get rid of that, because but the solution for the submit button was just to change the that from button to just delete all those stylings and just put input. Now the value is fine inside my videos. That's when you hover over the button, it's gonna show that. But this one, I'm gonna get rid of that. Why? It's gonna be because we already have because it's going to be a, I'm just gonna put /input just to close the tag. I'm gonna get rid of the label, because we're gonna create an image over it, and we don't want text overlaying on top of the image, which is gonna be annoying. So there, and that's it. If I'm gonna save this capture page and view it, Alright, I'm gonna view the tab. Voila! Yes, that's the guy I'm helping right now, Dr. Steve. So here you go, working Futuristic marketing lead, Facebook lead accelerator capture page for Infusionsoft. That's the mother of all autoresponders and basically online marketing systems, right? So I do understand why he wanted, because he already has Infusionsoft, so why does he need all the others? So here you go, fully functional. I'm gonna send him a message on how to advise change this and like make it more appealing, because I don't like to, it's not good. I don't like to read that, like enter INF field first name. No, it's like, it sounds computerized, right? So, but just to test, all right, the button is here. I'm gonna click the button, and sends me to Infusionsoft. Says, oh, I didn't put those stuff in. But then that's the main point. People should put those stuff in anyway. So there you go, a fully working Infusionsoft Futuristic marketing Facebook lead accelerator capture page. And if you got any questions, please feel free to visit my fan page. Just search for me in Facebook. That's Tristan Azcona. Okay. Or you can go to www.facebook.com/Azcona Tristan. And feel free to send me your messages. I'll be glad to help you if you're experiencing any roadblocks, technical problems, in terms of technical problems that's causing you to have a major headache and getting you stuck. I'm here to help you. So with that, please like my fan page, and I look forward to seeing you guys in Futuristic Marketing and in the next video. Take care, guys.